Mastering informal contractions in English with apostrophes. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we are venturing further into the realm of plurals and possessives, focusing specifically on apostrophe usage. Our topic for this video is a fun one: informal contractions with apostrophes. Let's jump right in. Informal contractions are a short form of the words used in casual English conversation or writing. They're not usually suitable for business or formal writing, but you'll frequently hear them in everyday speech. Examples include gonna, going to, wanna, want to, and should've, should have. The apostrophe in these contractions replaces omitted letters. Let's dive into some common examples. 1. 'Cause, because. 2. Could've, could have. 3. Should've, should have. 4. Would've, would have. 5. Gonna, going to. 6. Wanna, want to. 7. Y'all, you all. These informal contractions make your English sound more natural in casual conversation. Next, let's see how we can use these contractions in sentences. 1. 'Cause, I'm late 'cause the bus was delayed. 2. Could've, I could've gone to the party, but I was tired. 3. Should've, you should've told me earlier. 4. Would've, I would've helped you if you asked. 5. Gonna, I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. 6. Wanna, do you wanna hang out tomorrow? 7. Y'all, are y'all coming to the football game? Remember, these contractions are used informally. So, while they're great for casual conversations and texts, they're not typically used in formal writing or professional settings. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on informal contractions with apostrophes. By mastering these contractions, you can make your spoken English sound more natural and fluid. Remember, while these contractions are useful in casual conversation, they're not generally suitable for formal or professional use. Keep practicing and tune in to our next video, where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar. Happy learning!